Guns here with Big Guns Barbecue, and today we're going to be going over beef short ribs. They are absolutely delicious, but I don't make them that often. I typically would never go out and just buy them specifically, but they come a lot of times. These cuts come with the cows that I get because typically buy like a half to a whole cow at a time and put it in my freezer. And these are kind of the bottom of my freezer kind of pieces of cut, but when cooked correctly on the smoker, they are absolutely delicious because there is a nice, good layer of real good meat in here. Now, what I typically all I season it with is I use mustard for a binder. So I did a few sides on here, and when I do the binder, I just kind of just put it on there. I then have some nice big kosher salt. Kosher salt, in my opinion, is the best stuff you can use when you're seasoning your meat. And then I use coarse black pepper. I put quite a bit on the bottom here with the meat, the bone side, because it's going to take a lot to get penetration. And then one of my favorites is the Meat Church Holy Cow seasoning, and this just has a whole bunch of stuff in it, and it's really good. It's really famous. A lot of people use it. I put it on just about everything that I cook with. I cook it on burgers, everything like that. And right now I'm going to get my smoker up to about 250, and then I'll show you what we're doing after that. All right, so I got this up to about 250, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on here. I put them bone down, so the bones are on the bottom so they don't reflect any heat, or the heat will be reflected down. And then we're going to shut that at 250. I'm going to probably turn it up to about 275. All right, so now we're going to take these off the grill, the smoker, in fact. And I got the internal temperature right about 200, which is kind of the perfect temperature inside. And I'm going to start plating these. And now I'm going to take you inside. I'm going to cut inside. And when you see the insides of these things and the juice and the meat, you're going to absolutely go crazy. All right, so what I want to do here is I'm going to cut inside these. And you can see it's got a nice bark on it. And they are so juicy and tender. Watch this. When I open this up with this knife, and then we're going to press down to show you the juice. Look at that. That is absolutely exactly what you're looking for. Let these rest a little too. Typically you should do that. I just brought this straight off the grill, but these are absolutely incredible the way we do it. And if you serve them up, people are absolutely going to love them.